What to do in cases of unpaid debts in France. At Novlaw, our team of corporate lawyers based in Paris and in Lyon are here to assist you in your fight against unpaid invoices and payments. Novlaw can provide you with an efficient system of tailor-made solutions to facilitate complex proceedings in France. Debt collection proceedings in France typically begin with an attempt at amicable settlements between parties. Your collection lawyer will make the necessary phone calls, send reminder emails, and send your defaulting debtor a formal demand letter. Under French debt collection laws, this demand letter is essential to the legal proceedings as it marks the legal starting date at which time your debtor is technically in default, triggering interest to begin accumulating in your favor. Now, if despite amicable reminders, the debtor does not settle their defaulting obligations, your lawyer will be brought to file an interim injunction order. This procedure allows you to immediately seize the accounts of your defaulting debtor, creating a security around their existing assets and preventing unwanted insolvency. It is important, however, to note that in order to be authorized to carry out such an injunction order, your lawyer will have to prove legitimate circumstances likely to threaten the recovery of your debt. This strategy must be followed by judicial proceedings within a month of the initial injunction. When amicable settlements are insufficient to recover your unpaid dues, your debt collection agency and its lawyers have one of three options. Typically, French collection lawyers tend to begin by filing for interim injunction orders, as it is a simple, cost-efficient way to recover unpaid dues. However, adversarial legal action or litigation is often taken in such cases. Adversarial legal action or litigation is often taken when claims are disputed. The most efficient way to proceed in your debt recovery process is to consider litigation. Your lawyer at Novlaw is an expert in the field of commercial litigation and French debt collection laws, making your chances of a successful recovery of dues that much higher. In cases where the claims are disputed, however, your lawyer may initiate summary proceedings, a French specificity for an accelerated and simplified process before the commercial or judicial courts. Now, if the debtor contests the claim, your lawyer will most likely judge it best to consider ordinary civil proceedings, where the judge will be brought to rule on both the procedural and legal aspects of your case. In specific situations of complex technical matters, such as in real estate and construction law, the courts can appoint a judicial expert to help in the ruling. If your debtor lives outside of France, you will most likely have to take legal action abroad, which typically generates additional costs. Now, in order to avoid these difficulties, at Novlaw we advise our clients to preemptively insert clauses within international contracts, granting competency to French jurisdictions and stipulating the applicable laws. At Novlaw, we look forward to working with you on all aspects of your litigation and debt collection affairs.